Hey, what are you doing? That's my car. Get away from it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful. Oh, thank goodness, vehicle. Oh, thank goodness, it's protected with XPEL. Oh, that just saved my car from getting vandalized. That was a close car. What a crazy world we live in nowadays. All right, guys, so right behind me, we have a brand new Tesla Model 3. So this one is coming in for a full body wrap and XPEL Paint Protection Film. So what this is going to do is protect the vehicle from rock chips, scratches, and any type of vandalization. So front badge coming off, prep the whole entire vehicle. It has already been washed. We're going to jump on it, get this thing knocked out in pretty much a single day. Should go pretty quick and smooth. So I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned for the finished results. Making some very good progress on the new Tesla Model 3. We actually scheduled another Tesla today in the same color, but it's a Model S, so excited to work on that. This whole side is essentially done. We're finishing up the trunk lid here. Since this one is not going into it with another color or stealth, what we did with gloss is we are gonna seam it right about here, simply because these spoilers are a nightmare to get off. They're not held on by your standard double-sided tape. They're actually held on by some kind of rubbery glue. I don't even know what to call it, but definitely it is a nightmare to get off. And then trying to get it back on just turns into a mess. So when we can avoid it, we will. But for the most part, the seam is going to be very tight. You're hardly even going to notice it. The back bumper is done. We're jumping on the other side, going to have it all finished up. Pretty much, we've only been working on this vehicle since 11 o'clock, and it's almost 2. Took lunch break as well, so we're gonna have it done here shortly. Of course, you know, the standard edges tucked around here. This is all gonna be tucked. Edges tucked around here. Everything wraps below, coming all the way across. As you can see, there's a little bit of film hanging here, so for now it's drying out. Gonna roll and wrap the edges. Mirrors are gonna be done in one piece as well. We don't like using patterns on this, but that's pretty much it. So excited to get this vehicle outside, get it protected for the customer, and hopefully she can enjoy it and be worry-free from getting any type of damage done on the car. Alrighty, so we got the Model 3 all finished up. It came out very, very well. Super, super happy with how the job turned out. Edges tucked everywhere where we could possibly tuck it. Looks pretty much invisible. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, that this is how your car can be protected. Wrapping the whole entire vehicle, you're not worried about any rock chips, scratches, or types of vandalization. And I guess what I want to show you one more time in this video is just demonstrate, right? You have a brush here. This is something you don't want to do on a normal vehicle. Don't do that. It will scratch it all up. But a vehicle that is covered with XPEL Paint Protection Film, if you were, let's say, brush up against it, accidentally scratch the vehicle. So I'll go ahead and scratch this area up one more time. A little bit of warm water, so that represents is heat. So from the sun. It's very cloudy outside and cold today, but there you go. As you can see, the scratches completely self-heal. So that's what the film does. It returns to its original state. So if you're looking for this kind of protection, make sure you give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out and get those Teslas protected.